Hi, the review fella here once again. Thanks for stopping by. And look what just dropped onto my doormat, the awesome iPhone 13 Pro Max in green. Now I film almost everything on iPhones, and I thought this new green edition was a good excuse to increase my stock. This is the 128GB version, but of course you can get the 256, 512 or the 1TB capacity if you wish. The 128GB version is adequate for my needs. This isn't a full review, by the way, just a quick unboxing. It comes in a trim and minimal box as always, no plastic outer packaging, which is good. Apple uses 75% less plastic than they did in 2015 and they'll be 100% carbon neutral by 2030. Let's get the lid off and take a closer look. Okay, I mean, wow, it really does look pretty special. This isn't any old green, it's alpine green with a matte finish. I think it looks quite stunning. You can almost smell the rich, deciduous fragrances as they drift through an enchanted emerald forest. Okay, I made that bit up, but it looks good. Doesn't it remind you of that matrix green tint maybe, or is it just me that thinks that? Either way, it's a handsome looking beast. Let's take this front protective cover off. This is a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with 120Hz adaptive refresh, which is great for gaming. It also boasts up to 1200 nits peak brightness for HDR, photos and video. It's a big and fairly heavy phone, that's for sure. The edge is surgical grade stainless steel. It's really nice and has a kind of shiny but dark and smoky appearance to it. I reckon it would have looked nice with a matte finish too. And this alpine green back looks dark when viewed straight on, but goes up a few shades when angled to the light. It looks such a quality item. The three cameras on the back are wide, telephoto and ultra wide. The ultra wide can focus at just 2 centimeters, so now you can shoot macro photos and macro video. You can also shoot in Dolby Vision HDR if you wish. The ceramic shield is supposed to be tougher than any smartphone glass, so this is a very resilient device. It's also IP68 rated, so it's going to withstand dust, dirt and sand, and immersion in 6 meters of water for up to 30 minutes, according to Apple. Very impressive, but I'm not going to test it. Also in the box we have the Lightning to USB-C charging cable. No charging brick though, so maybe buy the official Apple one if you don't have one already. Also the SIM tool, some Apple stickers and the warranty information. It seems really responsive and zippy too. That's partly down to the new iOS version and fast A15 Bionic chip and 5-core GPU. The Pro and the Pro Max are basically the same phone and share the same specification. It's just that the Pro Max has the 6.7-inch screen and a slightly better battery that lasts around 1.5 hours longer than the Pro. It looks massive, and I guess it's why these size of phones are often called phablets. I really do think this is one, if not the best phone you can buy at the moment, all things considered, but feel free to disagree and tell me which phone you think is better in the comments. Also please tell me which colour you'd like to see the iPhone in. What colour would most interest you? Please let me know in the comments. I'd really like to know your thoughts. So there you have it, the awesome iPhone 13 Pro Max in alpine green. Check out the links in the description for this phone and my other gear. If you found this interesting, then please give this video a like and also subscribe if you haven't done so already. There's plenty more tech reviews and unboxings coming up. Thanks for watching, please stay safe and I hope to see you soon.